Welcome to Ultima Dental System's instructional video on replacing the check valve. First, remove all pressure from the dental unit. Locate the check valve assembly. We are going to be removing the hex nut that holds the check valve assembly, the metal braided hose connected to the compressor pump, and the unloader valve airline tubing. Begin by removing the metal braided hose. Use a 3/4 size wrench to remove the hex nut that holds the entire check valve assembly together. Make sure you don't drop and lose this black O-ring, otherwise the check valve assembly will leak air. Remove the unloader valve airline tubing by pushing down on the metal collar and pulling the tubing towards you. Now the check valve assembly is free. First, remove the top half of the check valve assembly. Now, remove the bottom portion of the assembly. Notice the direction of the airflow pattern dictated by the arrow on the check valve. It should be pointing up. Screw the new check valve onto the bottom half of the assembly. Use Teflon tape to prevent any air leaks. Next, screw on the top half of the assembly onto the check valve. Again, use Teflon tape to prevent any air leaks. Use your wrenches to fully tighten the entire check valve assembly. Once the check valve assembly is complete, reattach it back to the compressor. First, connect the unloader valve airline tubing. Next, reattach the metal braided hose for the compressor pump. Lastly, reconnect the hex nut to secure the entire check valve assembly to the compressor. Plug the compressor into an electrical outlet and test it for any air leaks.